Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. I live in the UK and I'm house mum to 5 children. Today I'm doing a full downstairs bathroom reset and deep clean. This bathroom definitely needed some attention, so I'm going to be wiping everything down, scrubbing the sink, cleaning the toilet, refreshing the mirror and making the whole space feel clean and fresh again.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile. It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want.
I love doing these little home resets because even one clean room can make a whole house feel better. So grab your cleaning products, put me on in the background and clean along with me.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song, I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my face. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything, I will do anything to make you mine. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. Oh, hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Oh yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, I keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, oh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Da da da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Let's turn up the love.
I'm starting by clearing everything out of the space so I can properly clean all the surfaces. Then I'm going in with my cleaning spray and giving everything a good wipe down. There's something so satisfying by seeing the bathroom go from messy and dull to fresh and sparkling.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing
hope this video gives you some motivation to tackle a room in your home today, even if it's a quick reset. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell due to see my next upload. For more cleaning motivation and home reset videos, I'm going to say a massive big thank you. I love you all, I appreciate you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving